packing for a girls trip right now, and we're all staying in the same room. There's 3 of us. So here's one thing I'm absolutely not forgetting, and that's my curved earplugs. I'm a light sleeper. I just cannot take the chance that something's gonna keep me up in the middle of the night. I used to use these kind of earplugs, but they would never stay in my ears. They would always fall out. They were uncomfortable. Once I found curved, I never looked back. These are reusable silicone earplugs, and they stay in my ears. They've never fallen out, and they block out the sound perfectly. They also come with a little travel case, which I just keep in the box, but because I'm traveling, I'm gonna pop them in here so that I can pack them up. When you buy them, you get multiple sizes of ear tips, so you can figure out what size ear tip fits your ear canal best. That way it blocks out the sound the way it's supposed to. Love these reusable earplugs, so if you want to check them out, click on that shopping cart below.